Today we're going to make some blueberry scones that are absolutely delicious, and we are going to use a couple essential oils with them. We're going to do it the simple way with the food processor here. We're going to take 3 cups of flour, add 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to pulse this to mix it up. And then we're going to add 12 tablespoons of butter that is cut into pieces. Now, if you want to do it the hard way, you can use a little pastry cutter and cut it into them, or use your hands and rub it in. I'm going to try the food processor. We'll see what happens. So that worked amazing. The butter is nicely blended through here. It took about 30 seconds on medium. So that worked super well. And we switched bowls because you want to use either stainless or glass when you're using essential oils. Now we're going to take 3/4 cup of milk. We're going to add our essential oils. We're going to use cardamom and ginger. We're going to add 2 drops of each of these. One, 2.5. One, 2.5. It's okay. Just add a little more flavor, and we'll mix that up. Now the recipe says you add your blueberries first, and then your milk. So we'll add our blueberries. And then we will add our milk and gently stir to mix. Okay, so we are pretty much mixed here. It will hold together nicely. So we'll see if we can divide it into 2 groups and make 2 balls that are about 6 inches big. Or two patties that we're going to cut into. So these actually move very nicely. They're held together better than I expected. Make sure you leave a little space between them. So this last little batch, I added a little bit more milk, and it is much easier. It holds together so much better. So definitely recommend adding a little more milk. And now the true test, the taste test.
Oh my goodness. What do you want?
These are going to be cooler.